Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you the basic usage to building a membership site with the YouLyrn platform. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on My Account. This is going to bring up a pop-up that's going to show your current account information. It's going to show your account level, your login email. It's going to allow you to change the password, and more importantly though, it's going to allow you to enter in your Stripe secret key, your Stripe public key, and select the currency that you want people to pay in when they purchase your online course. Once you have that information entered, you can go ahead and click on Update Account, and you're then ready to start building your first site. In order to build your first site, go ahead and click on My Sites, and you'll see a screen that looks something like this. Of course, if you haven't created any sites yet, you're not going to see anything on the list. In order to create a new site, simply click on New Site, and it's then going to ask you for two things. The first is going to be the site name, and this is what your site is going to be called. People are going to see this, so you want it to be something relevant to what they're going to be learning. So for my example, I'm going to go ahead and enter in the site name that says how to make money doing affiliate marketing. And that's actually what I want people to learn as well. So I'll just go ahead and copy this, and I'll put that in the What You Will Learn section. Go ahead and paste that in there and click on Continue. Okay, so now you can see my new site right here, how to make money doing affiliate marketing, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. The first thing I'm going to see is the site options. Now, the site options are pretty self-explanatory, but I will go over them very quickly. The first thing is going to be active, yes or no. The default is no. An active site will show up in the directory that lists all the available courses on the YouLyrn platform. If I don't want it to show in there, I'm going to leave it as no. If I do want my site to display in that directory, I'm going to select yes. Now, you should probably have it set to yes once your site is completely created, because that will get you free traffic because that page is indexed by Google. It's then going to ask me for the bar color. Now, the bar color is the color of a bar that goes across the site. That will make more sense once you see what a site looks like. The site name we've already entered. The price is going to be what I want to charge for people to access this online course. And there's going to be welcome text. The welcome text is the first thing people see when they log into the course. I can go ahead and enter in all my settings and then click Update Settings when I'm done. Now, something that's worth pointing out is you can have basic HTML in the welcome text. So for example, you can see I actually have the break tag, so that way there's a line break. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update Settings, and it's going to save my settings for me. Now, there is another button here called Create Edit Sales Page, but I will cover that in a completely different video. The next thing you want to do is go over to Site Sections. You can see on the right-hand side, there's a button that says Site Sections. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to show me the entire layout for my e-course. Each one of these is a page, and that is the topic of that page. It's the thing that's being taught in that page. Now, you might notice there's a red asterisk next to each one, and that is because that page hasn't been created by the AI yet. More specifically, the content of that page has not yet been created by the AI. Now, the AI will periodically go through all of the pages that haven't yet to be created and start creating them automatically. And you can do that. You can just wait, and the AI will eventually create all the pages for you. If you don't want to wait, though, you can go ahead and click on this button right here, and that will force the AI to create that page immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create button. You can see it says loading. AI is doing its thing right now, and in about 20 seconds, it will have created the content of that page for me. Okay, so you can see now that the content of that page has been created. The asterisk has turned to green, which means that that page is ready to go. I'm going to let the automated system create the other pages automatically for me. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit right here, and this will allow me to change that page and edit it as I want. So the AI has created all the content for me, but I can go ahead and I can edit it as I like. I can change the content if I want. I can add a video code if I want to have a video. You can enter in any embed code for a video that you want. You can go ahead and add images. You can change the text. You can highlight things. It's completely up to you. If you really want to be simple, you can leave it as is. There is no need to change it if you don't want to. Once you have everything edited the way you want, make sure you click Save Changes and then go ahead to click on Exit to go back to the next page. Back in the My Site section, you're going to notice there's some other icons as well. Now, the garbage can is the delete icon. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you click that, you're going to delete the site. The magnifying glass icon will let you see your site, either the sales page for the site or the members area for the site. You can choose which one you want to see. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see a little graph icon. This graph icon will show you the hits for your site, the total sales, and the unique hits. You can also go ahead and click on View Purchases. And by viewing the purchases, you can see all the detailed information of the people that have purchased your membership course. Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales page for your sites on YouLyrn so you can sell access and make money for people accessing your AI-generated content. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to click on Edit next to one of my sites. And you can see a button right here that says Create Edit Sales Page. I'll go ahead and click on that button. And you can see a sales page is actually made up of 3 different sections. The first section is the headline. The second section is the sales video. The third section is the main content. Now, the sales video, you can enter in any embed code for any video that you like inside of there. But for the headline and the main content, you have to enter that in yourself unless you want to have the AI create it for you. And that's what most people are going to want to do. So I'll show you how to do that. In order to create a headline, go ahead and click on the button that says Create Headline down bottom. I'll go ahead and click that. And AI has now created a headline for me. So this is a e-course teaching people how to make money doing affiliate marketing. And you can see it's created that headline. Now, if I like that headline, fine, I don't have to do anything. If I don't like that headline, I can just go ahead and click on Create Headline again, and it will create me a new headline. And I can keep clicking that button over and over again until I get a headline that I'm perfectly happy with. Or if I want, I can always go ahead and edit the headline myself in order to fine-tune it. The same thing with the main content. In order to create your main content, simply click on Create Content. And AI will automatically generate the content of your sales page for you. If you don't like this content, click on Create Content again, and it will regenerate the content fresh for you. And of course, once you have it created by the AI, you can go ahead and manually edit it to fine-tune it and tweak it so that it's exactly the way you want. Once you have everything set up the way you like, go ahead and click on Save Changes, and you've just created a sales page for this particular product. In order to view my sales page, I'll go ahead and click on Exit. I'll go back to my sites, and I'll click on the View button next to that site. It's going to ask me if I want to see the members area or if I want to see the sales page. I want to see the sales page. So I'll click on View Sales Page, and there's my sales page all done for me with my headline, my content, and of course, with a purchase area so people can buy